That was a good ass run. It broke up again, but it did better. I can't wait to watch that shit, dog. Huh? Yeah, that's it. Huh? Yeah. Let's watch it. I think I was in front at, let's see who's in front at 130. Let's see who was in front at 130. You passed me at like 140. Yo, let me try fourth. Let me try fourth. Damn, y'all, you know I had to get them foods, but I'm waiting for that slowpoke to be here soon. You know what I mean? Should be here soon to get gapped up. It's hot as fuck out here, so I know the trans gonna hold. We're gonna be alright. So y'all, we about to go run a not even sure. It's a 340. He didn't tell me what size turbo, but I ain't really worried about it. You know what I mean? I ain't really worried about it. Just gonna see what a 540 could do. Alright. I hope y'all like this angle, because I'm gonna show y'all this, and then I'm gonna have the meta glasses on so y'all can see two POVs, you know what I mean? So it's not just one perspective, and plus I gotta interview. This shit don't even look iron. Fuck it. I gotta get a new job ski. You know what I mean? A little update on life. And then after this race, we're gonna go all out. I'm gonna take the car to get the transmission built. And then yeah, we go from there, you know what I mean? Just keep going up, just keep adding progression. You know what I mean? After the trans, I'm gonna buy. I really wanted to wait to buy the torque converter, then do everything, but fuck it, we're gonna do that. We're just gonna buy the torque converter, do everything all at once. You know what I mean? Just so we can see how everything is going, and you know, little intro video, man. Hope y'all having a blessed day today. Everybody's good, everybody's doing good. You know, pray if you're not doing good. You know, you're always gonna get over whatever you get through. You know, God. We have a good God, and He does make a way for everybody, you know? He made a way for me, so I praise God every day. He made miracles in my life, you know what I mean? So it's all about just love for God, and just, you know, keep remaining positive, and just listening to your elders and keep going forward, you know? And with our love for cars, we're gonna need a lot of patience, a lot of humbleness, because these cars are really fast. So we got to be able to control these beasts, and to also take in consideration that there's families and other things that, you know. But you know how it go, guys. I ain't trying to preach to you. I'm just trying to warm up the transmission, because we about to go race a 340. I think it's 64, 66. So we're gonna kick out that heat real quick, and then see where we go from there, you know. That bitch driving that police car too crazy. She driving all like she a opera stuff. I don't got the AC on right now, because I don't want, you know what I mean? But quick and we out, boy. We out. You get one race. Walk that bitch up and we go. All this ass. You think you getting another race? Ain't no another race, partner. Yeah, I've been enjoying the car. This big turbo is crazy. It's just different, you know. Different car, different feeling. It's ultimately it's amazing. Y'all go. I got racing content in this video, so y'all just be humble, you know. Watch the video, you know. I should throw in the meta so y'all can see, but I'm gonna look stupid goofy. I try to keep the waves on swim. That's why I got the do-rag on, you know what I mean? If you know, you know. Damn, that boy ugly. It's hot in here, bro. Damn, shorty look good, boy. I gotta get y'all on the minutes. Look at shorty. Look at that ass. Oof. Looking good, shorty. You know you looking good. Shorty, you know she looking good. Look how she walking. Damn. That shit look good, boy. I love to see that, boy, on the street. Love to see some nice looking things walking and showing off how she look. Big confidence. That's what we all about, man. Big confidence, big goal, you know. Yeah, guys, update on the car, man. I might just build a trans, do the torque converter, and then yeah, we just build the bottom end, build the head. She a beast, bro. Fucking crazy ass machine. So, you know, let's see, let's wait and see, you know. Wait and see what journey takes us, because God taught me you can't rush nothing. It's in his hands. So wherever he says it goes, that's how it's gonna go. You know what I mean? And that's the number one thing that we just gotta go by and live by day, that God's in control. Yes, sir. Play some music, man. Fucking lonely at the top of the hill. Shot on the 9 prime and a shot on the skill. Oh yeah, it's raining. I'm gonna win. Easy dubski. Easy dubski. Oh, we'll drive on top. Fuck if it's raining, snowing. Gen 2, yeah. I need to do-rag off. I need all my brain cells for this race, man. Yeah. Yeah, guys, getting ready. And this bitch a little idle a little bit.
Hello, bro.
Nah, you good, bro?
It's right there, though.
Huh?
One of the bolts fell right there. Right.
Oh.
That shit was hella hot.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Let's probably grab it.
Yeah, we'll wait till it cool down a little bit. But yeah, guys, we making that jam, bro. We fucking cracked the fitting, bro. This shit bust from the fucking fitting again, bro. Right here, it bust from the fitting. That's where it cracked from. This shit's bullshit, bro. I don't know why they did this. That's why I got the metal one now. Hopefully this metal one is not on that whole shit. And yo, that shit gonna make it look tough too. I see exactly where it cracked from. It cracked from right where I tightened it.
Can you grab it?
Can
you get the bolt?
Nah, we can't get it right now. You gotta wait. Or I could. Yeah, that bitch too hot.
Hold on, let me see. You got it. Don't let it fall, bro.
Yo, dude, I got napkins in the trunk.
I got some.
Bomba clap, boy, hike your fuck. Oh, I see what the problem is here, bro.
Uzi?
The bolt is getting too hot, so it's like melting the plastic.
That bolt hella hot, bro.
Yeah, I know. I'm feeling it right now, but that's what's happening right. It's almost out, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Let me get the napkin.
I got it.
Yo, there's one more.
You gotta take that off.
There's one more bolt right here.
Oh. You got it?
Let me try it. Hey, these niggas cheat so bad, bro. That shit crazy. But yeah, that's some good ass runs. I need that fourth, bro. That fourth is better. I'm spinning bad, boy. The road ain't even. But hell yeah, it's some good ass runs, man. Beautiful ass runs. Oh yeah. that boy all the way back there, boy. That was a good ass run. Ah, that was good. Yo, that was good. Yeah. It broke up again, but it did better. I can't wait to watch that shit, dog. Huh? Yeah, that's it. Huh? Yeah. Let's watch it. I think I was in front at, let's see who's in front at 130. Let's see who was in front at 130. You passed me at like 140. Yo, let me try fourth.